learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是林執少 Joseph Lin. And again, this whole month, we're trying to make you hungry, or actually to cure that hunger. It's, are you hungry? 肚子饿了吗？
胃肚饥吗？
胃肚饥吗？有的时候不是三餐的时候才问这个话，对不对？
甜点、
下午茶、宵夜，什么都可以。You could be hungry anytime, and maybe sometimes you're just having the munchies, you know, and you're craving for dessert or snacks. Okay, let's put you in that scenario today. How about 肚子饿了吗？想吃什么？ Are you hungry? Do you want to eat something?
胃肚饥吗？
胃肚饥吗？
想吃嘛嘅？
想吃嘛嘅 ？OK， 就是现在肚子饿了，想吃什么吗？Not too hungry, but I do want to munch on some sweets, you know? How do you say that? 不太饿，只想吃些甜的。
还唔胃肚饥？
还唔胃肚饥 ？OK， 就是小饿而已啦，哈。
对，还不是
太
很饿。
Okay, I'm just a little hungry.
想吃甜嘅听听。
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 我不要听听而已，我要吃啊！
你要看一看
你越听越饿，好不好？为什么要叫我听听啊？
没有啊，就是你说啦，就只想吃甜的啊。那我们国语就会只想吃些甜的而已嘛。
听听 actually sounds like listen, okay, in Mandarin. And I say I don't want to listen or see these food. I want to eat them, but it actually just means I want a little bit of sweet. 好，我跟你讲。其实这个月刚好也介绍一个我真的非常爱，其实甜点我不是那么爱，但有一些真的是爱到不得了了。有一个叫做花生糖，peanut brittle. So how about someone responding? 我这边有一些花生糖 ，I have some peanut brittles right here.
我也會有飯條糖。
我也會有飯條糖 ，OK， 飯條就是
花生
嘛 ，OK。
对，那海陸腔的花生糖叫鐵條糖。
不一樣咯，鐵條糖。Another dialect for peanut brittle. Okay, all right, that's so cool. And this again, we're teaching you in a scenario where you just want to have some munchies, and that's how you respond. So let's review some of these vocabulary right here. 不太餓 not too hungry.
還唔胃肚飢
還唔胃肚飢 And then sweets 甜的
甜嘅
And my favorite 甜嘅 is 花生糖 That's peanut brittle.
飯條糖
It's all about asking, are you a little hungry? Are you hungry? 肚子餓了嗎？
胃肚飢嗎？
胃肚飢嗎？ And now you know how to respond. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.